When planning a bathroom renovation, avoid common pitfalls. First, set a realistic budget to guide your project. Don't rush into hiring the first contractor. Instead, research and gather references. Consider the layout and functionality of your space and opt for timeless design elements over fleeting trends. Lastly, anticipate delays and plan for a flexible timeline. Curious about bathroom renovations in Bethesda? Typically, renovations take 2 to 4 weeks. Costs range from $5,000 to $20,000, depending on materials and labor. Permits are usually necessary, especially for plumbing or electrical work. You can use your own materials, but ensure compatibility with your contractor. Tile is a popular flooring choice, but vinyl and laminate are also options. Selecting the right contractor is crucial. Research multiple options, ask for references, and choose someone with bathroom renovation experience. A designer isn't mandatory, but they can help create a cohesive and functional design. To enhance energy efficiency, choose fixtures and appliances that conserve water and energy. Most contractors offer warranties on their work, typically lasting 1 to 5 years. For more information, contact Bethesda Bathroom Renovations at 240-763-3973 or visit BethesdaBathroomRenovations.com.